Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out whether the Windows operating system is permanently activated or not. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show two ways how you can find out whether the Windows operating system is permanently activated or not in your Windows computer. So the first process, what you need to do is just move your cursor to the start, just click on it, and in the start just search for one application, command prompt, just search this app, command prompt, just open it. Now you can see a command prompt. Now under the command prompt or in the command prompt, what you need to do is you need to type some commands, slmgr, hit space, then after that slash and type xpr. So you need to type this command slmgr space slash xpr. So just type this command and after that just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see a window message. This machine is permanently activated, so you can see Windows Professional Edition. So my Windows operating system that I have in my computer is permanently activated. So this is the first way, and for the second method, once again just move your mouse cursor to the start and just search for application name as run. As you can see, just open or run this program. Now you can see your run program. Now here in the box, just you need to type some commands. Just type slmgr dot bbs. So you need to type this, and after that hit space dash and type xpr. So you need to type this command. Once again type this command slmgr.bbs space dash xpr. Just type this command and you can just click on OK, or you can hit enter on your computer keyboard. So I will just click on OK. Wait for a few seconds, so you will be shown the same message. So you can see the machine is permanently activated. So in this way you can easily find out whether the Windows operating system that you have in your computer is permanently activated or not. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.